welcome. You are watching India Today So South and I am Afreen Hussain. Today I am here at Hebbal, the area which screams of traffic issues. I do not even have to explain that, just look besides me. The road is filled with massive congestion, honking cars and vehicles all over the place. Now this is what this area is known for. This area, Hebbal, is said to be connected to another major traffic junction of the city, which is Silkboard, via an 18-kilometer long tunnel road project. Connecting two major traffic junctions using a tunnel road project? That sounds a bit weird, right? To solve the city's traffic issues? This twin tube tunnel project, which will cost 12,690 crore, was proposed by Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar and has been finally approved by the Karnataka cabinet despite severe criticism. While the state government believes that this twin tube tunnel project is an alternative which is much needed, city experts believe that this will only increase the city's traffic issues. So what is a tunnel road really? An underground passageway for vehicles to pass through. This project is set to provide a direct route for vehicles to pass through congestion. The state government has recognized 11 high-density corridors wherein a 191-kilometer tunnel road would be constructed with a budget of 30,000 crore. Now this project will begin in phases, and the first phase of this would be from ST Mall in Hebbal, where I am standing right now, to Silkboard.
I don't think it will happen during my lifetime. Only political gimmicks.
ಟನಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟನಲ್ ರೋಡ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಇದಿದೆ. ಅದಂತೂ ಭಾಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಪೂರ್ವ ನಿಯೋಜಿತವಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
सबको भी सहूलत होता है, हर आदमी को सहूलत है. ये तो रहा है तो ऐसा बहुत प्रॉब्लम आता है.
Yeah, I think it's going to really solve this problem because you know how the traffic of Bangalore is, and we really need measures like this. And I think the idea that you just gave is actually mind-blowing. It should be implemented. I think it will really suffice.
I feel like it is most helpful and this traffic will be reduced a bit.
Bengaluru is no stranger to incomplete infrastructure projects. And right behind me, you can see one such project which has been stalled, the Hebbal flyover, which is right opposite to a very, very popular and very big hospital. Now this must have caused so much inconvenience to the commuters as well as have caused traffic problems in this area. Flyovers, underpasses and signal-free corridors which were once proposed with the idea of decongesting the city's traffic problems have now become the reason for the traffic issues in this city. It looks like the Karnataka cabinet has just approved one such project, the 18-kilometer tunnel road which is set to connect Hebbal, where I am standing right now, to Silkboard Junction. There are no details about when this project would begin or be completed. Critics point out prolonged construction timelines of up to 38 years. 38 years to construct this underground tunnel road. Can you believe that? The city already has stalled projects like the R.R. Nagar flyover, Kerekodi Junction flyover and Ejipura flyover, to name a few. Hit by delays due to various reasons, these stalled projects have done more harm than good by increasing traffic issues in the city and inconveniencing commuters. Will the proposed tunnel road project also end up like one of these ambitious initiatives by the Karnataka government which have not been completed? Whatever is your opinion, let us know in the comment section below. Until then, this is Afreen Hussain with camera person Madhumita for India Today So South.